Hello, welcome to Top Trading Edge Academy. Today, 8th, uh, today 8th December. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what the market is doing. So right here, if you take a look at it, we still right here, 100-day moving average is right here, support, and we bounce. But we have the resistance right here. So let's take a look at the 200-day moving average. So we are in between still 100-day moving average and 200-day moving average. We are just spending some time out here, right here. So let's take a look at 30-minute charts and analyze, see what exactly market is doing basically. So if you see here, 30-minute charts right here. So trend line is still broken, and remember last time I said most of the supply area was 395, 396 right here. That's where the market is right now. Now market, remember the supply right here, that's the value area right here, volume area 1, 2, 3, and now 4, and now we're little reverse here. But remember, we have tomorrow very important date, Friday we have the PPI data coming in. PPI, remember last time PPI came, market dump, and then market took off, and the job data also coming in, right? So these are the two very important number to watch and see what market reacts. And good news could be a good news, and bad news could be a good news, or bad news could be or could be a bad news, could be bad news. Okay, either one of them. Okay, that's what I can take a look at, because every time Friday option expiry is the all dirty games goes through. They run to the opposite direction, and then they reverse and they go another direction, right? That's why we are 100% cash, and let them find the direction, and we find the bottom, we find the top, and that's what we go behind them. What do the market maker do? So right here, you see this resistance, super sloping resistance. So I see a right here, previous supply zone was right here around $400 right here. So if the bull scenario, I see a 400 here tomorrow, right? If market has to run, we could go and test this area right here. And the bear scenario is right here, 390. So 400 and 390, either one of them I can see here testing tomorrow. Most likely they could do that if they want to run on the top or run on the down. Something like that they could happen. Remember, all the supports are here in this area, 392 right here. So these, either one of them could happen. We have sloping resistance here, and we have the supports here. Either one of them, based on which direction they want to go. First they would try different direction, and then most likely, and then they can reverse. They set up a trap and then they reverse, because tomorrow is the most important day, guys. I just tweet about it right here. Biggest option of the history, 1997 right here. So options, it's not expiring, but right now we have the highest options right here. See that? So since 1997 right here. So highest option calls and put volume ratio is going on. So obviously right, market maker, they want to rake the premium, right? That could be the case. So what we need to do, we need to let them decide which direction they want to go first, and then follow behind them. That's what I would say tomorrow. So we love, just like today, right? Remember, market had excellent time today. We had a home run, and then we also had this run up right here, morning, beautiful. Then we have sell of this. Market swings, we loving it whenever market swings. But the people who are bulls, they lose money. The bears, they always lose money, because they dream to have a 200% profit, 500% profit. That's not happening. If the market doesn't offer, you got to learn, right? If market offer 30%, you got to learn, take the money and run. And if you do not know, then that's it, the game is over. That's why I say bulls and bear both lose money if they do not know how to find the bottom and top, right? And that's why our community, we identify the top, we identify the bottom, and we always swings whichever direction market maker goes, right? That was a beautiful W pattern we played here too. Look at that. We found these, we traded these plus W pattern right in the middle, right? So all these things, it was a great one today. But let's talk about the market. So basically, we still, the MACD is pointing south, but tomorrow is a different day, Friday. So remember, guys, it's not just a Friday, it's market maker, they already have the data. Okay, they do have already data coming in, so they exactly know what's going to happen. Now that we have the Tuesday CPI print coming in and Wednesday FOMC meeting, so everything is piling up, so something is cooking out here. That's why I said this option activity is just solidly crazy right now. When I looked at all the options data, man, they are like on a call side is higher, 185,000 on a out of the money calls are on a SPY. I was looking at now 185 is out of the money, and then another, it's just the one strike I'm talking about, 101 strike. So almost, if I do total calls were like 515,000 for, if I look at the in the money, out of the money, 2 strike only, where the price is 2 strike up, 2 strike down, and I calculated 515,000 calls had been purchased. Multiply by whatever the premium you got to pay. So maybe over $100 million, just 2 strikes if you can calculate. Same thing on put side, been purchased almost 400,000 contract has been purchased. Multiply by whatever the premiums are, multiply by 100, right? So same thing again, 100 million, over hundreds of $1 million option purchased on that. Just the 2 strike I'm talking about. Okay, next to the in the money, out of the money. So that's the hell, lot of money is being spent on it. So that's the reason. Let's see what market brings in. So other than that, today Bitcoin today Bitcoin went up right here. I noticed Bitcoin right here, we crossed $17,000 right here, but we still in that same category right here. And then the oil was dropped today. And US oil, let's take a look at the US oil. Yeah, US oil is going almost 71 right now. It's just right in here, $71. Maybe we'll compress and then it could go lower probably. Then QQQ is still same spot. Support is right here. We got a little buy signal right now on a QQQ, that is 283. Okay, so if I look at 30-minute charts, QQQ, let me see. Yep, same reversal right here, same reversal, but we got a rejection. We got a resistance, not rejection, guys. We have same thing, resistance to watch right here around 286 tomorrow. Sorry, 287 right here. 287 is the resistance, and 280 for the support for the QQQ. And gold is still right here. Gold is looking bullish right now. We have 200 moving average. Gold is looking bullish right here, 1800 area right here. It's compression in this area, but still the point is bullish right here. See that? So nice support, ascending triangle support, and it could shoot up probably if it's really compress here and can shoot up. Let's see. Next week is important week, but this is the December month is important to watch. There might be some tech sell-off can happen too, so we need to be very careful. So I do not like to go fast. These are the time where we need to wait for market maker to decide, because good news could be good news and bad news could be good news. Something like that can happen. All right. So all right. See you guys tomorrow morning. We are always live. Top Trading Edge Academy on YouTube. Everyday live is free. Live streaming. Join free. Okay, and like, share, subscribe. All right. Thank you. See you tomorrow morning, 9:30.